Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm doing the hashtag show us your elves. It's beach, barbecue, or fireworks. So I just have my little Alfie here. She's all in her little, she's got on her little lifeguard red bathing suit. She's got her sunglasses. She's got her suntan lotion. Oh, she's just chilling out on the beach. I just thought, it's a bathing suit that's for another doll. Starting number. Do something that they do actually kind of fit her. I'm just setting them on the top of her head. I don't want to. She kind of got that silicone vinyl. I don't want to scratch up her vinyl. So here she is. I think she looks really cute. And she's got her little striped beach towel. So she's just having a little fun day at the beach. Really cute. Bathing suit, you know, it's for an 18-inch doll because they wear those size clothes really well. That is pretty much it on my little hashtag show us your elves, beach, barbecue, or fireworks. You know, you can combine them or however you want to do it. So, there she is. There's my little Alfie. She's just so cute. I have little flip-flops, and little flip-flops did not fit her. Her feet are a little big. But she has little red flip-flops to go with this bathing suit. But anyway, that is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. And we will see you next time. Alfie says bye. She's going to be sitting in the sun. Okay. Bye-bye.